Looking for a spooky little project that's quick, fun, and perfect for Halloween? Hey guys, it's Beth here with Embroidery Legacy, and today we're stitching up a ghostly in the hoop bunting project. It's adorable, it's easy, and it's stitched entirely in a 5x7 hoop. Perfect for decorating your home or adding a handmade touch to your Halloween party. Let's dive in. Here's what you'll need for one ghost. 2 pieces of ghost fabric, 6x6 inches. 1 6x6 piece of batting. A 5x7 hoop, water-soluble stabilizer, 2 grommets with pliers or a crocodile, an awl or leather punch, ribbon and beads for decorating, scissors, double curved scissors, tape, and a hot glue gun. Step 1. Placement line. Hoop your water-soluble stabilizer. Place it into the machine and stitch the placement line for your ghost. Step 2. Batting. Lay the batting over top. Secure it with tape. Run the tack down line. Remove the hoop and carefully trim the extra batting close to the stitches. Step 3. Front fabric and details. Lay your front fabric over the batting. Secure with tape. Run the tack down line. And let the machine stitch the details of the ghost and the letter. Step 4. Back fabric. Take the hoop off your machine, flip it over. Lay your back fabric over the placement lines, secure with tape, pop it back into your machine, and stitch the tack down line. Step 5. Trim and satin border. Remove the hoop again. Carefully trim the excess fabric away from both the front and the back. Return the hoop to your machine and stitch the final satin border. Step 6. Clean up. Remove the design from your hoop, trim away the extra stabilizer. Then, with warm water in your finger or a cotton swab, gently wash away the rest. Step 7. Grommets. Now for the finishing touch. Use your crocodile, awl, or leather punch to cut holes in each hand of the ghost. Set your grommets. These are 5.1 millimeter, using a grommet press or cam snap tool. Final step. Decorate. Time to have some fun. String your ghosts together with ribbon. Add beads, or even a bow. Create a bunting that's completely your own. And that's it! You've got yourself the cutest little ghost bunting, ready to haunt your Halloween. If you make one, don't forget to tag us. We'd love to see your spooky creations. Thanks for watching, and happy stitching!